Hi guys! I almost done eating my bread. One whole size of bread. Sliced bread. Yummy, Arky. Hurot na good ni Arky ang kanina po of bread. Ang isa ka slice na hurot ni Arky. Ay, hindi siya napalaman guys. Cerelac, later na. Kaya nag-enjoy na nag-eat ng bread amo baby. Yum, yum, yum. Ani good ni siya, iyang TL. Basta nag-enjoy eating. Yummy. Dalawa ang tiro. Wow. Oy, ang milk. Orange your milk. Ayan. Oh. Eat that one na, oh. Yummy. Yummy bread. Oh, pwede na ka magpainit sa Pinas. Sabay ka mo ni Papalo, Arky. No? Yum, yum. Yummy ang bread, Arky. Oh, drink na. We're riding a Ferris wheel. Nag-CR mo si Mama. Kami lang sa duha. Hi! Ako! Hello! We're on the top. Wow! What's that man? What's that man, Arky? Wow! Ikan ko nag-jump, guys. Oh, look at all. Kasi Arky nag-jump diha, oh. So green. Arky enjoys it a lot. Hi guys! Hi guys! Sabi si Muki. Wow, on the top. Wow! Kita siya magmanyag guys. Ako na lang siya lingaw-lingawon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The third na namo ni na libot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Iya mama papa na asa baba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. O diba? Sus. Hi Arky. Are you not afraid? One, two, three. What is that you're eating, Arky? Arky, what is that? What is that you're eating? You're eating what, Arky? Biscuit. In Shake Shack. Shake Shack. Arky, Arky. Guys, bagong mata lang si Arky guys. Ang namod ba si Arky guys or wala? Tunado katsaka-tsaka. Nay, nagpabibi mo baby ay. Nagpabibi mo baby man. Hey, nagpa-Vivi. Hi! Say hi! Oh, hi Arky! Hi guys! How are you guys? Kumusta man? Kumusta tulog di mo ki? Oh? Smiley man? Hindi nagpa-Vivi man ka lagi. O, tulog pa. Duka pa ki? Duka pa? Si Pakaw. Nung pa baby mo, nung baby, ay. Hi. Mag-eat na ka, Arky. How will you use it, Arky? Show tita again. Show again, Arky, how to use that, Arky. How to use it? Oh. Wow, very good. You know how to comb your hair na? Alam mo na paano mag-suklay, baby Arky. Sudlay, sudlay. I don't play it with your eyes. Just in your hair. Arky. Hi, Arky. Verse number 1. Alabe. Verse number 1, Arky. Verse to number 1. Very good. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Very good. Number 4. Very good. Number 2. Number 2. 2. Mingaw na lagi ko diha, Ki. Magwad siya na, oy. You smile every time you see that one. Oh. Hi, guys. I'm Arky. It's already 10 in the evening. I'm not still sleeping. Why man, Arky? Why are you not sleeping? Mas inaantok pa si tita sa'yo. Ha? Nga naman? Wala ba mong natulog? Ha, Arky? Nga naman? Wala ba mong natulog? Tell tita. What's the reason? Wala pa mong gidok ka? Ha? Hey, Arky? Kanta sabi? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Tulog na ka? Tulog na? Tulog na? Tulog na ba? Matulog na ta ba? Aray. Matulog na ta ba? Matulog na ta ba? Matulog na ta ba? Sleep na ta ba? Aray! Oh! Oh! Ala. Uy! Hi guys, again. I'm now lying in bed but not yet sleeping. Hindi kami makita talaga ng klaro kasi madilim din yung light. Ha? Ano, Ki? Talk to madlang people. Ha? Talk to madlang people. Ha? Oh. Klaro, ha? Mama. Papa. Tita. Tito. I am RK. Hi, Mama La. Hi, Papa Lo. Hi, everyone. I'm RK. River Kairos. Campo Rosales. I'm turning 2 years old. This coming July 25. And what can you say pa other things, RK? What do you like? What do you like? I like listening to music. At what else, Arky? Ang sapay mo gusto, Arky? What's your favorite fruit? Banana and mango. Right? What else pa, Arky? Oh, what else pa? Tell them, Arky. Huh? Tell them. Why you're still awake, man, be? Why you're not still sleeping? You started lie in bed 8 in the evening and now it's almost 10 and you're still awake. Tita is more sleepy than you. Why, Arky? Huh? Tell me. Tell me, where did I go wrong? What did I do to make you change your mind completely? When I thought This love would never end. But if this love's not ours to have, I'll let it go with yours. Say RK. Goodbye. Bye-bye, guys. I try to fall asleep na talaga. Aray. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. We're back in Gondolania. Good morning, baby. Hi, Aki. You're so early waking up. Picture. Oh, di ha ya.
Like cruise ship dia. Kahit ano wala.
Arky.
Pindot-pindot niya ay buonda dyan.
Naka-survey na ka, okay? Hi, Arky! Oh, look oh. You're walking? You're busog. Hoy, kapaspas ni mo. Huli ka. Kapagod. Arky. Sige. Well. Aray.